Alright guys, so to remove upper lip hair and to prevent that masculine look, okay, we're going to be needing turmeric. Now, do you know that turmeric actually helps for the skin to smooth out the skin, lighten up the skin, and equally remove unwanted hair? Now, when you don't want hair on a particular place on your skin, you'd have to use turmeric, okay? Turmeric will actually help to do that. Yeah, so this is what you're going to do. I'm going to be taking half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay guys, so the very next ingredients will be baking soda. Now, baking soda is an amazing hair removal treatment. It helps and works wonders in removing all unwanted hair and keeping your skin flawless and keeping your skin really smooth. Okay, mixing it with turmeric is going to help so much to rejuvenate and make your skin look really smooth. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that we're going to be taking half tablespoon of baking soda, and then we're going to mix it dry. After that is done, we're going to be needing corn flour. In this treatment, you have to be using corn flour, okay? Corn flour helps to, gently drag out the hair from your follicles, while turmeric helps to soften and melt it all off. Alright, so I'll equally be putting half tablespoon of corn flour, now. Okay guys, so we're also going to be needing papaya for this. Yeah, this is a full papaya that I got, and I'm going to be cutting just a little of this papaya. We call this pawpaw, so to those who knows it as pawpaw, we're going to be needing pawpaw, okay? So after cutting off a little papaya, then I'll have to be peeling it all up. After that, then you're gonna grab this, put a little water, and then we'll blend. So after that's done, here you got the papaya, and now I'm gonna be transferring the papaya into a bowl. And then we're gonna mix and stir it up really good. Okay guys, so after that's done, then you can apply this onto your upper lip or onto your jaw. Okay, you apply this like this, spread it evenly onto your upper lip area. Okay, so after you spread this evenly onto your upper lip area, then you can leave it for like 3 minutes, you know, for it to soften the hair. Then afterwards, after 3 minutes, then you have to scrub it in a circular motion. Now the scrubbing part would actually help to, you know, remove the hair. Okay, just like this. Scrubbing part will actually help to remove the hair. You scrub it in a circular motion so that as you scrub it, since the hair is actually super duper soft, very soft, now as you scrub it this way, it's just going to be removing. Yeah. Okay, so for this particular treatment, guys, this particular hair removal remedy, you would have to try it for 3 days straight. Okay, 3 days straight. Now after 3 days, like, your hair is literally gone, and it's going to take a whole long time for the hair to start growing. Not that it's not going to going to grow anymore. It's going to grow, but it's going to take a whole long time for the hair to grow back again. Okay, so go give this a try, and I'm sure it's gonna be working for you. Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay, so you're welcome back to my channel, and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a great way that you should not look masculine. It therefore means that I'm going to be showing you a great way to remove your upper lip hair, your the hair on your what's this called? The hair on your neck, no, the hair on your chest, and the hair on your chin as a lady. Now for a man, you can equally use this to remove the hair on your hands and on your face, the ones that you actually do not want anymore. Okay, this is actually for an unwanted hair, because if you put it in a place that you want hair, it will still melt it and remove it. So be cautious. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then let's go. So that's it. Go give this a go. Give it just 3 days and all of your hair is gone. Now the good part of it, just like I said initially, is that it's going to take a little time for the hair to come back, and it's actually great. So it's very perfect. So go give this a go, and to add it, it is natural. So that's it guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.